Hey guys, this is Vic from DNV Mobile Detailing. We've come to the truck lot for Pride Trucks, and we're thankful to Pride Trucks for giving us the opportunity to detail their trucks before they sell them. So we're going to be doing these 4 trucks. We came yesterday and we have already detailed 2 of them. Wanted to take a video of the job that we did. And now we're going to be detailing this truck and that one. This one has a lot of mold, so I'm going to take a before video. This is the before video. We'll take an after video once we're done. Again, we would like to thank our customers at Pride Truck for giving us the opportunity, and once we're done, we'll take another video. Thank you.